What's up, guys? I was cleaning the restroom like I normally do, like I was cleaning the restroom, right? And I was using the restroom, right? Like what we all do, like that. And when I flushed the toilet, um, and didn't want to flush all the way because it happens, it clogged. And um, I'm gonna show you guys how I can unclog the toilet with a plunger like everybody else. Don't count me out because of my disability. So how did how did I prop you guys up? Hold on, I didn't think this all the way through. Hold on, don't count me out yet. Hold on. And now you guys can see me, right? See, I am in a wheelchair, and see, the hanger is only in here because I had to read something, okay? Like, it's kind of like my grabber, but I do have a grabber, I just don't know where it is right now. See? The plunger, see the plunger? And by the way, it happens. First you wanna flush. Hold on. You might want to flush it all the way. I need to flush it one more time, I think. A couple more times. To get the water up. Hold on. I'm not gonna cut nothing. Because I don't know how. So, bear with me. I did it. Wow, I did it. Hold on. Grab you guys. See? I did it. Don't let your disability stop you for nothing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, because that's not my first time unplugging the toilet, because I think, because obviously the wipes. I need to use different wipes. But I usually throw them away. But I didn't have the trash full enough for that time, so I just don't kill me, Grandma. Don't kill me. At least I took care of it. So yeah, it just it just it's just something I wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to show you when it was plugged because it was nasty. Nobody want to see that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't let your disability stop you. And you can do anything you want in this world. You just need to put your mind to it. And a lot of people who say that to me, I know it's true. I'm just lazy in the process. So, but certain things I know how to do. I know how to do everything, but I have to adapt to life. Because it doesn't matter your disability. You can do anything. You just need to adapt to it. You need to figure out your own way to doing things. Because everybody's not the same. Remember that. I love you guys. My Instagram will be down below. I would really appreciate. We only 5 followers away from. No, actually, that's a lie. 10. We roughly around 10 people away from 1,000, roughly. So I would really appreciate it. Hitting that 1,000 mark in 2022. Wow, it's a weird saying that, but let me go back to the let me go back cleaning the restroom. I'll see you guys in the next video.